Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to tell you about this pattern. This is my great grandmother's pattern and I'm very glad to have this pattern. This is not complete. The hangings are left in this patterns, but I have started this for the video. So in the end of the part, I will definitely show you the hangings. Okay. So without waste our time, let's begin our video. For this dolly, I am taking this 3-ply wool and with this I am using 2.0 mm crochet hook. We will start to make a slip knot like this, and you can start like this also. Okay, we will make 5 chains, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 chains, in the very first chain we'll make a single crochet like this. So now we have a ring. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and start to make double crochets into this ring. Okay, so now there are 2 double crochets. We are making double crochets into this space, into this ring. So we will make 24 double crochets total. Okay, after 24 double crochets, I mean 23 double crochets and 1 in starting. We have made 3 chains, which is counting in these double crochets. So total we have now 24 double crochets. Now we will join them with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. One, 2 and 3. Make a slip stitch like this, and here my first round is completed. Now for the second round we'll make again 3 chains as our double crochet, one chain for the 1 chain space, and make 1 double crochet in the same chain. This is our first V stitch. Okay, now chain 1 and skip this chain, and in the next chain make 1 V stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 more double crochet in the same chain. That is our V stitch like this. Chain 1, skip 1, in the next chain make again 1 V stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the same chain like this. See, one time more. 1 chain, skip 1 chain, in the next chain make 1 V stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 more double crochet in the same chain to make this V stitch. Chain 1 like this. We will complete our second round. Okay, so in last we should have 12 V stitches, as you can see, because we had 24 double crochets in first round. So with skipping now we have 12 V stitches. Okay, after chain we will join this with a slip stitch in 3rd chain, 1, 2 and 3 like this. Here my second round is also completed now. Okay, for the third round, make 1 slip stitch to come in this V stitch. So we are in the middle of this V stitch now. Okay, make 3 chains as our double crochet, and now after 2 double crochets, make 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space, 1 and 2. Now chain 1, and in the next V stitch we'll make 2 double crochets only, 1 and second double crochets in the same space, chain 1. In the first V stitch I made 4 double crochets with 1 chain in the middle and chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the next V stitch. Okay, so we will repeat the same. Chain 1, in the next V stitch make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same space, 1 and 2, chain 1. In the next V stitch we'll make 2 double crochets only, 1 and 2, chain 1. Like this we will complete our third round also. Okay, so in the third round we have 6 corners. See, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. They are 6 corners. Okay, in last, after chain 1 we will join them with a slip stitch in the third chain, as we are doing this in this pattern, chain 1. Here my third round is completed now, and it will look like this. Okay, in the fourth round we have to come in the middle of this corner, so we will make 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2, to come in the middle of this corner. So make 3 chains as our double crochet. Okay, 1 double crochet. Now they are 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same space, 1 and 2. Now chain 2, and we had 2 double crochets in the third round. Now in the fourth round we will increase them, 1 double crochet in this space, 2 double crochets into these 2 chains, they are 3 now, and 4th in the next space. So they are 4 now in the fourth round. 2 chains, corner will be same, 2 double crochets in the middle of this corner, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same space to complete this corner. 2 chains like this. This is our first side. Like this we have 6 sides, and we will complete like this. See, once again, 1 double crochet in this space, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, and 1 double crochet and the 4th double crochet in the next space. They are 4 now. 2 chains. The corner will be same, 4 double crochets with 1 chain, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the same space. This is our corner. Chain 2. See. Okay. And last, after 2 chains, we will join in the third chain with a slip stitch. And here my 4th round is completed now. See. Okay, in the next round and in the 5th round, we'll have to come in the middle of this corner with a slip stitch. Make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Again the corner will be same, 2 double crochets, 1 chain and 2 double crochets in the same space. The chain will be same, 2 chains, and again we are increasing 2 double crochets here and here. So they are 4, and after increasing the double crochet there will be 6 total. Three, 4, 5 and 6, like this. Chain 2, corner will be same, 2 double crochets, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets in the same space. So 2 chains. In this round, in 5th round, we are just increasing the 2 double crochets, otherwise old pattern, and we will complete this round also. Okay, in last we'll join after 2 chains. In 3rd chain we'll join with a slip stitch like this, and this will look like this in 5th round. Okay, in the next round, in 6th round, again come in the middle of this corner. Corner will be same, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, and now they are 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 more double crochets in the same space. 2 chains. Now increase 2 double crochets, 1 here and 1 here. They will total 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 8 double crochets. After 8 double crochets, make 2 chains and the corner will be same, 2 chains, and again increase 2 double crochets, 1 here and 1 here. They will also 8, and like this we will complete our this round also. Okay, in last, after 2 chains, in 3rd chain we will make a slip stitch to join them. Like this, and this will look like this. Okay, in the next round we'll come in the middle of this corner, and the corner will be same, 4 double crochets with 1 chain. Okay, after corner make 2 chains, and we will increase again 2 double crochets, 1 here and 1 here. They will be total 10 double crochets. I increased 1 and 8 double crochets. Okay, they are 9 now, and 1 more double crochet in the next space to complete these 10 double crochets. Now they are 10 double crochets two chains, and the corner will be same and 2 chains. So we'll make 10 double crochets, 2 chains, corner, 2 chains and 10 double crochets. Like this we will complete this round also. And in last, after 2 chains, in the third chain we'll make slip stitch like this. And here my 7th round is also completed now, and you can see the shape. This is the perfect shape. And here my first part of this pattern is also completed now. So in the next part we will start a new V from here. So I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Keep watching.